Hello everyone, welcome in math classes, class 10, chapter number 1st, real numbers, topic Euclid's division algorithm. Today we are going to see some extra example depend on Euclid division algorithm. The example is show that any positive odd integers is of the form 4q plus 1 4q plus 3 where q is some integers. In the previous lecture we learned that all the positive odd integer is of the form 2q plus 1. Now we are going to see that all positive odd integer is of the form 4q plus 1 4q plus 3. Okay, now process is similar to the previous example. We have to follow some step, the simple step. First of all, we have to take a as any positive integer. So let a be any positive integer. What we say that a be any positive integer. Now we have to show that a is in the form of 4q plus 1 and 4q plus 3, and now it will become the odd positive integer. So before that one, just take b and b. Now the value of b is depend on our example. In this example, q is with 4, means 4 is the multiple of q. So we have to take b as a 4. So b is 4 and q is quotient and r is remainder. So therefore by Euclid's division lemma, what we can say by Euclid division lemma, this a, b, q and r, see carefully, this a, this b, this q and this r is look like a equals to bq plus r, where r is greater than or equals to 0 always and r is less than b. Now we all know that the value of b is 4. So therefore b equals to 4, then this equation become a equals to 4q plus r. Now this r is greater than or equals to 0 and less than this 4. So simple that the value of r, therefore r equals to 0, 1, 2 and 3. So we have here how many conditions? We have 4 conditions, 1, 2, 3 and 4, means 0, 1, 2 and 3. So here we have 4 conditions. So now see here, when r is equals to 0, so this equation become, see it carefully, a equals to 4q, correct, plus 0, it means that only 4q. Now when r is equals to 1, see a equals to 4q plus 1. Now when r equals to 2, this equation become a equals to 4q plus 2, and finally when r equals to 3, it will look like a equals to 4q plus 3. Now see carefully, if r equals to 0, when r equals to 0, this equation become 4q equals to 4q, so it is even. We all know that because this 4 is a even number and it is multiple of q, so it will be a even. Now when this r equals to 2, again this equation become even, because if you take 2 as a common, then 2 is a multiple of this equation, this side, so it's a even now again. But for this r equals to 1 and this r equals to 3, this equation become odd, so we have to write here, therefore when r equals to 1 and 3, expression a equals to 4q plus 1 or a equals to 4q plus 3 is odd, positive odd integer, positive odd integer, positive odd integer. So that we have to show only, see, show that any positive odd integer is of the form 4q plus 1 and 4q plus 3. So here we write when r equals to 1 and 3, a equals to 4q plus 1 or a equals to 4q plus 3, that is which is positive odd integer. Simply our answer is finished here. Therefore final line, therefore any odd integer is of the form 4q plus 1 and 4q plus 3. Here our solution is finished. I hope everyone can understand this. Now I am going to give you one homework. For your homework, this example, just do it yourself and write in your notebook. Okay, so this example you have to write it and just do in your notebook. You have to solve this example. Simple example is this: show that any positive integer is of the form 3q or 3q plus 1, or I hope everyone can see this what I am writing here. It is 3. Okay, if it is not visible, just listen my words. This is 3q plus 1 or 3q plus 2, where q is some integer. Just do it. It is completely same as the previous one. I hope you can solve this. Okay, thank you.